Set my lenses for non-optical illusions, cause I don't wanna misinterpret they frame rate in case they moving. And you can haul them, don't bother me while I'm ballin'. I'm good at distinguishing the conscious man and one on a molly. Their ass is wondering, I'm wondering why they don't think I know that I'm complete sober and my whole shit is on focus. I'm tuned in like the announcement of Jay's title. Don't make me go yay in the water, a real revival. Their misconception is fueled by trap perception, and I really would hate to be the one to teach them all a lesson. I'd rather bless them with this knowledge that's been bestowed on me. I used to be you whipping on the stove, homie, living reckless while deep cutting my community. God flipped me around, now I'm cutting the community, lifting those that need lifted. I call it hydraulic life, so you'll never escape my peripherals. Pac taught me thug life. I need to see them right before they see me, cause I'm no good being this sheep. I got my spotters on watching the streets. Fuck that, you ain't sneaking me. I need to see them right before they see me, cause I'm no good being this sheep. I got my spotters on watching the streets. Fuck that, you ain't sneaking me. So what you found out? Don't give a rat, you're popping her. You're giving her too much power on Twitter, stop it, bruh. You're lifting her like she's almighty and manifest. I mean, I like the look, but her wordplay's a real mess. Let me comment just to see where her head's at. How beautiful would you like to go on a date? Her replies, I'm thirsty and I'm broke, man. I said I'm well hydrated and I get a check, babe. Then she replies, fuck your buffoonery. Then all these niggas reply, they gon' goon me. They screenshot my location from the smartphone. I'm feeling real dumb that I ain't know how the settings go. Now I'm annoyed a little bit, but it is what it is. I know I'm a grown man, but I could become Billy Kid. All over a kind gesture in the big heart. This bitch wanna tear my whole fucking world apart. I need to see them right before they see me, cause I'm no good being this sheep. I got my spotters on watching the streets.